Ever wondered what crypto mining is? Picture this, a vast digital landscape where transactions are happening left, right, and center. Now imagine a group of auditors meticulously verifying these transactions and ensuring everything is above board. That, in a nutshell, is crypto mining. But it's more than just checking the books. Crypto mining is the engine that powers the blockchain, the technology underpinning cryptocurrencies. Miners, the auditors in our metaphor, solve complex mathematical problems, a process that requires a substantial amount of computing power. And what do they get for their troubles? New cryptocurrency. It's a bit like mining for gold, but in the digital world. This process is essential for the functioning of cryptocurrencies. It ensures that all transactions are legitimate, and it's how new digital coins are created. So, essentially, crypto miners are the auditors of the crypto world, ensuring all transactions are legitimate and helping to create new digital coins. Now that we've got a basic understanding of what crypto mining is, how does it actually work? Let's break it down. Imagine a world where powerful computers are the new pickaxes and complex mathematical problems are the gold mines. In the realm of cryptocurrency, these digital miners work tirelessly, crunching numbers and algorithms. Their mission? To solve a problem so intricate it could stump even the brightest minds. Once a miner's computer solves this mathematical riddle, the transaction is etched into the blockchain, an immutable ledger of every transaction ever made. This act of solving and recording is what we call mining. But the miners don't do all this work for free. Oh no, they're rewarded with a small amount of cryptocurrency for their digital labor. The beauty of it all is in the difficulty of these problems. They're designed to regulate the supply of new coins, ensuring that the market isn't flooded with too much digital gold at once. In essence, crypto mining is a race to solve the problem first and reap the digital rewards. So why all this fuss about crypto mining, and what's this decentralization everyone keeps talking about? Well, let's dive right in. Crypto mining is the backbone of a decentralized network. In this type of network, absent is any central authority. Instead, power and control are equally distributed amongst everyone in the network. It's a bit like a democratic society where every vote counts. Now here's where crypto miners come into play. They are the ones who verify transactions, ensuring that everything is above board. They're like the diligent accountants of the crypto world, making sure all the books balance. But their role doesn't stop there. They also maintain the integrity of the network, keeping it secure and functioning smoothly. Decentralization is the heart of cryptocurrencies. It's about creating a digital world where everyone has equal say. So crypto mining is not just about earning digital coins, it's also about maintaining a democratic, decentralized network where everyone has a say.